You see me I say?
We can't talk now.
Take it, Michelle. Go on.
We can't talk.
Yeah, man.
All right. Roll up this. The man don't need no crown, bro. The man don't need no crown. You see me? Who know I say the man need crown?
Kingship him and
One thing too. What on our run with I say the man say, him a king, a dancehall. He never said that. The man say him a king, which him been preaching from day one. The man say him a king in the earth from way before Vybz Kartel a way crown. Now everybody come twist it and say him want the crown. The man never say him want no king of dancehall. The man come and say him a goat, who no have problem with that. The man say him a king, who no have problem with that. Everything, the local Gaza sheep and the Sparta, who no have problem with. You see me? So that is why when Tommy Lee run out and throw him shades and go like he need a throw it on Massacre, and I call him man Massacre run out and deal with him wicked.